Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Chapter 1. The Poor Boy and the Stranger. Long ago, in a busy city in Arabia, there lived a boy named Aladdin. He was poor, playful, and spent his days in the streets, helping his mother at home, but often dreaming of a better life. One day, a mysterious stranger approached him and said, "Aladdin, I am your long-lost uncle. Come with me. I will show you something magical." Aladdin was curious, so he followed the man to a rocky hill outside the city. The man whispered magic words, and the earth opened up, revealing a dark cave. "Go inside," said the man. "Bring me the old lamp you find there, but touch nothing else." Chapter 2. The Cave of Wonders. Inside the cave, Aladdin saw treasures of gold, shining jewels and colourful carpets. But he remembered the man's words and found the old, dusty lamp sitting on a stone. As he turned to leave, the man shouted, "Give me the lamp first!" Aladdin became suspicious. "Let me out first!" The man grew angry. He wasn't Aladdin's uncle at all. He was an evil magician. He sealed the cave, trapping Aladdin inside. Chapter 3. The Genie Appears. Scared and alone, Aladdin sat down and wiped the old lamp with his sleeve. Poof! Suddenly, a giant genie appeared from the lamp in a cloud of smoke. "I am the genie of the lamp. I will grant you anything you wish." Aladdin gasped, "Get me out of this cave!" In an instant he was standing safely outside in the sunshine. Chapter 4. A New Life. Back home, Aladdin and his mother discovered that the genie could give them anything they wanted: food, gold, clothes, even a beautiful house. Years passed. Aladdin grew into a kind, wise young man. He fell in love with the Sultan's daughter, Princess Jasmine, and with the genie's help built a palace so grand that the Sultan agreed to their marriage. Everyone loved Aladdin, except the evil magician, who was still watching from afar. Chapter 5. The Evil Returns. One day, the magician disguised himself as a street peddler. "New lamps for old," he shouted near Aladdin's palace. Aladdin's wife, not knowing the old lamp's secret, traded it for a shiny new one. The magician now had the magic lamp, and the genie obeyed him. He wished for Aladdin's palace and the princess to be taken far away. Chapter 6. The Clever Plan. When Aladdin came home and saw the palace gone, he was heartbroken, but he didn't give up. With the help of a magic ring, given by the magician earlier, he summoned another genie. It took him across deserts and mountains to find the magician's hideout. Aladdin tricked the magician, took back the lamp, and defeated him forever. He freed the genie from the lamp and promised to use his gifts for good. Chapter 7. Happily Ever After. Aladdin returned the palace and Princess Jasmine safely to the city. He became a great leader, loved by all. He ruled with kindness, courage, and wisdom, and he never forgot where he came from, or the lamp that helped him become who he was.